leverage your expertise to kind of size the environment?
Understood. 100 VMs for around 500 users, and we'll size accordingly. Azure local clusters run from 2 to 16 nodes. We'll guide you on the right node count for performance and failover.
Absolutely. So that gives us a great baseline. Thanks for that detail. We'll factor in those 100 VMs and the user count to recommend the right node sizing for each site. And I'll make a note of that 2-hour SLA so we keep that in mind as well. All right, I think we're in a good place to move forward, and I'll jump in with more questions as needed. Thanks.
Sounds great, Josh. Thanks, Gustavo. We've got a solid starting point. Let's keep going as questions come up.
Sure, please. Yeah, continue with your questions, Josh. I mean, sorry, Luca, not Josh. Luca, my bad, Josh.
No problem at all. All right, next key piece. How do you handle storage today? Are you aiming to reuse existing arrays or move to a hyper-converged model with Azure Local?
I think we want to move into a hyper-converged model with Azure Local, but we do want to leverage Azure Cloud for the cold data. So we want to keep most unused data shipped to the cloud to save on hardware costs for storage.
That makes perfect sense. We'll design Azure Local for your active data in a hyper-converged model and offload that cold data to Azure Cloud for cost efficiency. That gives you a solid hybrid strategy.
Absolutely. It sounds like a great approach, and we can definitely outline that in the statement of work. So I'll note that down as well. Hyperconverge for the active data on Azure Local and cold data offloaded to the cloud. We'll keep gathering these pieces and shape it all into a solid plan. Thanks for the info.
Exactly. We're building a clear picture. We've got the workload profile, the storage approach, and the failover SLA. We can move into deeper planning or address any remaining concerns you have.
Let's go into the deeper planning, please.
Understood. Let's dive deeper. We'll refine node sizing, network integration, and replication patterns to match your resilience goals.
All right, so please ask me questions that you need from the environment.
Will do. Let's start with the network side. Are New York and Miami connected over a dedicated low latency link, or are you using a VPN or other shared network?
We have a link, we have a 10 gigabit link from Equinox.
Good.
Perfect.
A 10 gigabit link from Equinix gives us solid bandwidth for replication and failover. Now, are you planning on using Azure Arc for unified